Your credit card is maxed out and you have no cash flow, meaning no money left just days after getting your paycheck? Here's a simple solution that will benefit your pockets in the long run. For instance, let's say you make $3,000 per month, but you also spend the entire $3,000 on bills like rent, car payments, groceries, and maybe even treating your partner. Meanwhile, you have a $10,000 credit card debt and a $400 payment due in a few days. Here's what you do. Leave only the money you need for essential expenses like rent and automated payments. Let's say $1,000, for the sake of this example, in your checking account. Then, transfer the remaining $2,000 to your credit card account. It might sound scary, but trust me, it'll make sense quickly. As soon as you transfer the money to your credit card account, it will automatically pay off your $400 credit bill. And you'll have extra funds to bring your debt down to $8,000 right away. Of course, you'll likely use your credit card from time to time since most of your money will be there. By month 2, your balance might go back up to $9,000 if you also stick to cutting other expenses, just like I explained in the first video of this series. By month 3, your balance will drop to $8,000, again, including expenses. By month 6, you'll be down to $5,000. Stay disciplined, and you can pay off your credit card within a year tops. While doing this, you won't even have to worry about interest charges. Your banker might be mad, but you'll be smiling. Now that your perception of money has changed, check out my first video to learn how to cut other expenses and put even more towards your credit card debt. Or get inspired by the business moguls I've covered on my channel.